How to make a willow wreath. To make a wreath, you'll need a dozen willow whips about 1 to 1.5 metres long. You can use standard willow rods, or here I have used branches from a weeping willow tree. You'll also need secateurs and optionally some florist wire. Start by taking one piece of willow and bend it into a hoop the diameter you want your wreath to be. Hold the thick end in place with one hand and with the other hand weave the thinner end tightly around the hoop. The tension should make the woven hoop stay in place, but for some added security you can cut a piece of florist wire and tie it tightly around the point of the hoop where the thicker end of the willow is. You don't need to do this with every piece of willow, just the first one. Now take the next piece of willow and weave it tightly around the hoop in the same way. Start about a quarter turn around the hoop from where you started the last time, so that the ends aren't all in the same place. You can tuck the thinner ends of the willow in as you weave, but don't worry about any ends sticking out, we'll trim those later. If a piece of willow breaks, just snip off the end with a secateurs and keep going. When your wreath has reached the thickness you want it to be, the final step is to snip off any sticking out ends with the secateurs. Don't cut them off too close so that they don't pop out of the weave again. And there you have your finished wreath.